What's up, guys? I got the board. I got my new carver. It's fucking sick. Check it out. I just love the colors, but this is gonna be my first try using a carver surf skate thingy. So yeah, let's try this shit out. We're gonna start in my garage. Alright, fellas. Wish me luck. Oh shit, that's hard. Woo. Wow, that feels just like surfing. That's crazy. Leg burner for sure. Just like riding a wave. I see how this is good training. Whew. What a leg burner. Alright. Yeah, I already kind of got the hang of this. Fucking sweet. It's a leg burner. Apparently you're not really supposed to pump on these boards, but I just did a couple times. Whew. All right.